Okay, okay, first, make sure your name's on there. Make sure you're kind of showing all the work that you can on this as much as you can. All right, number one, we walked through these yesterday in class. You have to find the inverse, find the derivative of it. That's my little hint to you is where you switch the letters. That's the basic hint. Or use the little table that I provided. Those are the examples I gave you yesterday because I thought that was a lot easier than you trying to memorize crazy trig
I
functions
wasn't
stuff.
here yesterday.
Oh
Wow, maybe you shouldn't have been doing whatever you were
He
doing.
does post on word.org.
no. So, 3 and 4. You have to do the implicit differentiation. So that's where you have two letters and you have to put the, you know, with respect to x's, that type of thing.
Oh.
Do the best you can. There's a lot of product rules there and
Product?
chain rule.
Don't say
All right. 5 and 6. I stretched those out 1 through 4, so you get the first
Thank you,
page.
Mr. Ward.
So you have more room to work. 5 and 6, you have to find the critical points and inflection, so I give you more room for those. That's why I moved them to the second page. That's where you have to find first derivative, second derivative type of thing. Number 6 seems lengthy, it's really not. You just have to be able to find what the potential roots are. 7, you have to circle on the graph, indicate on the graph where the critical points are. And then explain, is it a maximum or minimum? I'm not looking for globals on those. So it's kind of like we did in your practice guide. 8, that's the problem where you're doing global max and min because they limit you on how far you can go. My hint to you on that one is where you find the first derivative, then you find the critical points for it, and then whatever the critical points are and the end caps for your limit there, because you're limited between certain numbers, those are the numbers you need to check to see if it's a max or min. You plug them back into the equation. So that's your little hint on number 8.
Hint.
9 and 10, I made it as easy as possible.
Thank you.
So I didn't give you any weird stuff.
No,
I
you
gave
did
you
give us-
rectangles.
Thank you.
So
10 is
you're,
weird.
You're welcome on
10 is
those.
weird.
All right.
I know how to do
Mr.
that.
Ward,
10 is
Mr. Ward,
I
thank
know how to
you.
do
So-
Thank you, Mr. Ward.
All right.
Thank you, Mr. Ward.
Do the best you can. If you have any questions, you can attempt to ask. I'm not guaranteeing that I'll answer it for you, but just make sure that you're taking your time on this and use the class period. You only get one class. You only get this one. I'm not here after school, so you have to finish it. So, there you go.
I agree.
That's